Hey everyone, it's Emilio here from the Yac team, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to connect Yac and Google Sheets together, so that way you can log new updates whenever you send a Yac and update it to Google Sheets. So first things first, we're going to want to go to yac.com/integrations/Zapier, and we're going to scroll down until we see the template section, and we're going to click the Use this Zap button next to the Yac and Google Sheets integration. As you see here, this is going to give you the ability to log new Yac updates to a Google Sheet. So let's move on. We're going to click Get Started, and first things first, we're going to select our Yac account from this list. If you don't see it listed here, all you have to do is click the Connect a New Account button, log in using the browser, and once it appears on the list, select it, and click Next to move on to the next step. Now on this step, we're going to tell Zapier which discussions or one-to-one messages for it to look into, to pull information from, and create the new log update inside of Google Sheets. So we're going to use our test discussion. Now here we're going to select our Google Sheets account. Like I said before, if you don't see it listed, click the Connect a New Account button, log in using the browser, select it from the list, and move on to the next step. I don't see mine, so I'm going to connect mine really quickly and then move on. Now it's going to ask us which drive we would like to select. Here's the only one on the list, so I'm going to move to the next step. Now here it's asking us which spreadsheet we would like to use for Yac to send over the information to. We're going to use our test spreadsheet. Now it's asking to specify which sheet we would like to use inside of the spreadsheet. Now in this step, it's allowing us to customize the information that gets sent under each respective column that we've created inside of our test Google Sheet. Now you can have as many columns as you like. It's only reading the ones that you've created. And you can customize those columns as well so that everything makes sense to the way that you'd like it, and so that the customizations that you make here send the proper information over. So I made it pretty easy, but like I said, you can make this customizable in any way that you'd like. So for the sender name, I'm going to use sender name. As for the sender date, I'm going to use the date on ISO string. And as for the message, I'm going to use the message transcript. Once you're done customizing the fields, we're going to click Next. Now it's going to send over a test to our Google Sheet. And once we verified that the tests have sent and that are all correct with the information that we need, all we have to do is go back to Zapier, click Next, turn on the Zap, and we're well on our way to sending log updates to our Google Sheets just by sending a Yac message.